create your own interactive PDFs. You're going to start by taking a screenshot of whatever PDF you want to make interactive. And to do that on a Mac, you're going to hit Command-Shift-4, and you will get this icon here, and you're going to hold it down and completely engulf the PDF that you want to make a screenshot of. So release, and we've got our screenshot. Now we're going to go to Google Drive, and you're going to do a new Google Slide presentation. You go to this, and you're going to change the size of the slides. So you're going to go to File, Page Setup. When you click Page Setup, you'll see it's in the default, which is widescreen 16:9 ratio, which is great if you're presenting it in front of the class, but we want to have it match the size of your PDF. So we're going to do Custom, and we're going to do 8.5 by 11. Now, if you had a PDF that was landscape, you'd do 11 by 8.5. You're going to apply. And now we've got our 8.5 by 11. We aren't going to need these text boxes, so I am going to highlight them and delete. And then I'm going to go to the background here. And when I highlight that, it says Change Background. I'm going to choose Image, and now I'm going to find that screenshot that I just took. So I'm going to go to Browse, and my screenshots wind up on my desktop. So I'm going to click that screenshot. You can see that's where it is, and I hit Open. Done, and I've got the background as my PDF. So I can't move anything on here, all right? So that is your background now. And now you're going to insert text boxes wherever you want kids to put answers. So I'm going to put a text box here. Click that. You could also go here, and I'm going to put a box here. Now I've got it set up so that the line around the text box is blue. If yours isn't, you're going to go to Border, Color, and Line. You can put whatever color you want, but I suggest having a color so that students can see where it is they're supposed to type in. You don't want it to be invisible, or they're not going to know. You might also want to put a little prompt in there, and you could put in type answer here. Okay, so now they know type answer there. Once they've done this a few times, you're not going to need to do that. I'm highlighting the text box again. I'm pressing Command-C and then Command-V. So I've made a copy of that text box, and I'm going to hit Command-V again, make another copy, and move it in. You can continue to do that for all of your places where you want students to put in an answer, and then you would share it on Google Classroom or however you regularly distribute it. You want to make sure that each student gets their own copy of this, so make sure to hit that feature in Google Classroom. When students get it, they can then just type in here x equals 11 and they will be set. They can turn it in to you via Google Classroom again.